Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content, guys. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the markets briefly, we're sitting at $1.5 trillion and BTC dominance is at 59.2% and it's pulling down. But today I want to talk about none other than Stellar Lumens, and I want to share with you guys where I could personally see Stellar go in 2021, this bull run. So if we're looking at Stellar's price right now, Stellar is currently trading at right above 52 cents with a market cap of $11.4 billion. And it is listed on all the major exchanges, so liquidity is not a problem. Stellar is very well known in the markets. If you're obviously a Stellar holder, you know exactly what Stellar is. But if you don't know much about Stellar, you can go check my price prediction video. I went into full depth about what Stellar is, so that video will be very informative for you guys. But yeah, Stellar has been in the market since 2014. One of the co-founders of XRP, Jeb McCaleb, he is the co-founder. He is the founder of Stellar. So he left XRP, and he made a coin that he thought was better and more decentralized. About the same idea as a Ripple, helping companies and individuals do cross-border transactions instantaneously with a very low, very low cost, almost to nothing, but decentralized, and non-profit. So he made that and he left that. So a lot of people are very a lot of people believe in him as well. So yeah, right now if we're looking at the charts, guys, its all-time high was back in 2018 at 87 cents. We're 41% away from its all-time high. And there's a lot of good things about Stellar's, what makes me bullish. And so one thing that I want to announce, share with you guys is IBM. So obviously, like I said earlier, if you are a follower of Stellar and you're a part of the Stellar community, you know exactly what this is. But if you don't, let me tell you guys. So Stellar and IBM, had a partnership back in 2017. This is very huge because IBM is part of the Fortune 500 companies, guys. So this brings a lot of exposure not only to cryptocurrencies but also to Stellar Lumens, and a lot of other institutional investors can start looking into Stellar because of IBM. So let's briefly go over this partnership. So yesterday, IBM announced the limited production launch of WorldWire, a global payment system that connects banks via the Stellar Digital Asset Network. The announcement's emphasis was on cross-border payments, as six international banks have signed letter of intent to create stable coins or digital currencies that don't fluctuate in value for use of the system. For now, only two currencies are on the live WorldWire network: Stellar Lumens XLM and Stronghold USD, a stablecoin backed by reserves in US dollars. So how does the WorldWire actually work? The basic model of WorldWire is fairly simple. Banks can use it to transfer value to the other banks in the form of digital currency instead of using slower, more traditional rails such as Swift network. WorldWire's role is essential to make the crypto part of the whole thing invisible, handling the conversion between fiat currency and digital assets, and connecting the banks to existing technology. So this is what these guys have been doing, and having a partnership with IBM is extremely bullish, which makes a lot of other big corporations also look into this, and a lot of banks are starting to look into this, as they have mentioned in this, like 6 banks signed the letter. But there was a news that came out last December. One of the world's oldest banks is issuing a euro stablecoin on Stellar. So a euro stablecoin is being issued by one of the oldest banks in the world and is being done by the Stellar blockchain network, announced Wednesday. German BVDH, established in 1754 is working with tokenization and digital asset custody technology provider Bitbond for the first direct issuance of stablecoin by a banking institution on Stellar, the company said. Bitbond has already partnered with Stellar Development Foundation and Tempo to use their stablecoin and has received approval from German regulators BaFin to issue tokenization bonds also on Stellar and Radulov, I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that. Bitbond founder and CEO. I'm sorry, I could not pronounce that. So yeah, as you can see, another bank, like one of the oldest banks, has built a stablecoin on Stellar blockchain, which is very, very bullish. And if you guys don't know, JP Morgan is one of the biggest banks in the United States, and it's very well known around the globe. They have their own stablecoin built on blockchain, not on Stellar. But yeah, like you can see where the future is heading. A lot of people, a lot of these banks are looking into blockchain technology, and Stellar is solving that. Stellar is really solving that, and I believe Stellar is superior compared to XRP in a lot of ways because it's non-profit, and it's non-profit because Stellar is XRP is more a profit type of company. These guys are non-profit, and what they're doing, I believe, can really solve the world issue, like, and also bring a mass adoption through the cryptocurrency space. So if we're looking, so yeah, very, very exciting things about Stellar, right? But if you're looking at one of my videos right now, let me show you guys. I made this video back, guys. I made this video back in May of 13th of 2020 last year. That time Stellar was only at 7 cents. It was only trading at 7 cents. And right now, since then, in less than a year, it's not even been a year, Stellar has come up almost 10x from that time of me making that video. So it was trading at $1.4 billion market cap at that time, 11 rank, and currently right now, if we're looking at it, it's at a top 10 rank with $11.4 billion market cap. So 10x in less than a year. Very, very crazy gains. If you made gains, guys, congrats. Always do take profits. And yeah, guys, this is extremely bullish. In my price prediction back in May, I said at the peak of the bull run, which I believe, like, if history were to repeat itself, the peak of the bull run is supposed to be at the end of this year or at the beginning of next year. But history does not necessarily have to repeat itself. But as of now, it has been repeating itself. So if Stellar were to, the bull run was to peak at the end of this year, I believe that I said in my previous video that Stellar would be trading at $2 a coin. And do I still believe that? Absolutely, because like I said, these what Stellar is doing is extremely bullish for not only Stellar and also cryptocurrency space. It has brings a lot of attention to new investors, institutional investors especially. And as you guys may know, Tesla is buying Bitcoin. Michael Saylor is, on Bitcoin. So all these big hedge funds, are hedge fund managers are hedging against inflation with crypto. So a lot of eyes are on crypto. So a lot of people will, when they're starting to do research on, crypto, they're going to start looking into Stellar as well. And it's only 3x away from my price prediction, which is $2. And I believe Stellar can reach that, especially when it hits its all-time high of 87 cents. I believe that will happen very, very fast. It's all 41.4% away. I believe that is around the corner. Once Stellar hits its all-time high, then it's price discovery mode. And then once it's in price discovery mode, FOMO kicks in, and then I believe $2 would not be a problem at all for Stellar this bull run, because as you guys know, all these other coins are hitting all-time highs after all-time highs. So I don't see why Stellar could not do this, especially when they are trying to solve a problem, a real problem, and saving a lot of millions of billions of money that people and companies spend on transferring money border to border. So that is a very, very bullish sign for Stellar. So if you may be asking what price, what a market cap would, what market cap would Stellar be at $2? So Stellar would be at around $45 billion market cap, which is, like I said, is a 3x away from here for $2 to happen. Do I think it can go up? I believe it could go up even further. Like if we were to get that parabolic run, so keep this in mind. It's already up from my previous video, just not even a year ago. It's up 10x, roughly 10x. So for it to do 3x more, that's 13x. 13x, that I believe can happen very, very easily. But if we were to see that parabolic run from the 2017 time, uh, it could even go higher. But this is these market caps, it's like a higher market cap coin. So ROI on these are not as high as the low cap market cap, low cap coins. But with those coins, there's more risk involved as well. But $2 is my price prediction for Stellar, and I'm very, very confident that it could reach that this bull run easily, and that's where I would feel comfortable taking profits from my holdings. I do not hold a lot of Stellar. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I do not hold a lot of it, but I do have some in my position that I accumulated from the bottom, and I did take some profits here and there. And I'm putting into some low cap coins that I like. But yeah, very good things ahead for Stellar, guys. A great project, and I am extremely bullish on it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think about Stellar? Do you guys think Stellar can reach $2 this bull run, or you think it can go higher? Just let me know your thoughts down below. This is just my own personal opinion. Please always do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets, and always invest what you can afford to lose in cryptocurrencies. Never throw all your money into it. Because that is very, very risky, and it's not smart at all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up around here, guys. Please stay safe out there. Safety comes first, family comes first, everything else comes later. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.